So this is for the chicken biryani, and I'm just trying to caramelize the onions in the ghee. I have marinated the chicken here in the yogurt and the biryani masala with onion. It's not onion, it's ginger, garlic, and I have to mix it. Here I'm doing preparation for rice. So I have added ghee and few spices. I'm adding water. What all I added is the cumin seeds, the anise star, the green cardamom, and some cloves. I'll also add little amount of salt in it and wait for the water to boil. After that, I will add rice in it. You can see now the onions are getting caramelized. Oops. So now I have taken half of the onions out on a plate, and I'll use this for making the chicken biryani. I poured the chicken and I'm mixing it now. So the water which I kept for rice has started boiling, and I will pour the rice in this. So I have added the rice now. So why I was boiling the water, because I wanted these spices to leave their taste in the water, so that the rice will absorb the same flavor of the spices. That's why I was boiling. On the other side, you can see the chicken is being cooked. I think I have added more of yogurt, so that's more liquidy. Washi, washi, washi. I need some mint leaves. I'll tell you a very good way of separating leaves. So just put it in a colander and just take it out like this. Oops. So this is the dandi. I forgot to add some of the mint leaves, so I will add it right now. Few mint leaves I will use it in raita, and some of it while layering. So see how this. I have soaked some saffron in milk. Also I have a saffron oil, so you can use any of them. I will add a little bit of this, and also I'll mix this kevra water in the rice, not just like 6-7 drops. It gives a very good taste in biryani. So the chicken is almost cooked, and it was very liquidy, so I just separated the extra liquid here, which I will use it later. I started layering the rice on this. Also I have taken some of the chicken pieces outside, which I will put it in between the layers. Here I'll use the saffron. Just pour a little bit from top. That's it. Okay, so for raita we need some green chilies, some cilantro, and the pudina. Just pure. Now I will mix this yogurt and this. I'll mix both of them together. Since it's so much liquidy, it should be like a thick consistency, since my mixer doesn't work well. At the end, I'm going to add black salt. I'm not adding normal salt because black salt gives a very different and very good taste. Since the raita was very liquidy, so I added more of yogurt and made it a little thick.